if I told you that you could make real money on YouTube?
Without filming, without editing, and without even showing your face. Too good to be true? Well, not anymore. Because what you're watching right now, every single visual was made entirely by AI. This is Veo 3.1 inside InVideo, and it's about to change how creators create and how they make money forever. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 ways you can make real money using Veo 3.1. And just to be clear, this isn't one of those get-rich-quick schemes. These are real, sustainable ways to build income streams using AI that most people aren't even aware of yet. To make things simpler, I'll rate each idea by its earning potential, the effort required, high, medium, or low, so you know exactly where to start. So let's go ahead and dive in, starting with number 5, which is creating relaxation fantasy world YouTube videos. You've probably come across these before. Rain sounds, lo-fi beats, fantasy landscapes, meditation videos, the kind of content people leave running for hours in the background while they work, sleep, or study. These videos pull in millions of views, build highly engaged audiences, and earn consistently great revenue. Take relaxing ambiance ASMR as an example. This channel pulled in 35 million views last year and made more than $200,000 from that. This puts their RPM close to $7 per 1,000 views, which is pretty solid given that the amount of effort in making these videos is almost non-existent, especially with the help of Veo 3.1. Earlier, these videos would require setting up a camera, shooting on location for long hours, but with Veo 3.1, inside InVideo, you can literally generate these worlds in minutes. Mountains, neon skylines, underwater cities, all looped with ambient soundtracks. It's the ultimate passive income setup. You make the content once and it keeps earning for months, sometimes even years after you've made it. Now, I rate this one a medium in earning potential because you'll need volume and consistent uploads, but low in effort since once your system is set up, you can pump out hours of content almost hands-free. But if you want to take things a step further and turn your skills into something clients actually pay for, idea 4 might be just the one for you, which is AI video production service, where your channel acts as a portfolio. Use your YouTube channel as a portfolio to land clients. Here's how. Create high-quality AI videos using models like Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 inside InVideo and post them as cinematic videos and teasers on your channel. The goal? To show brands, startups, and agencies how you can elevate their content and help them scale with AI-powered video. Think of it as your own digital studio, but with zero crew, zero cameras, and almost zero cost. Once your channel starts looking professional, you can start getting paid to create full campaigns, reels, or short-form content for your clients. Or you can package your work into digital assets, things like abstract motion visuals, prompt guides and templates, cinematic video backgrounds, and sell those directly through your channel or sites like Gumroad. So not only are you making money from your channel, you're using it to attract more money outside of YouTube as well. I would call this one a high earning potential idea and a medium effort idea because once you build your first few projects, the rest become rinse and repeat. But of course, not everybody wants to build a studio or sell assets. Some of you just want to blow up fast. And that is where idea number 3 comes in. Creating viral short videos. Those 10 to 30 second clips that you see blowing up every single day on TikTok, Reels, or on YouTube Shorts, they've completely changed how people watch content online. Viewers aren't typing in search bars anymore, they're swiping through feeds. With attention spans shrinking by the second, platforms are pushing short form content harder than ever. And yeah, while the RPMs might be lower than long form, those massive view counts more than make up for it. You've seen them. Babies cracking dad jokes, gorillas vlogging out in the open, AI-generated movie parodies, and those videos that explode out of nowhere and flood every platform. With Veo 3.1 inside InVideo, you can make those fast. Just stay on top of what is trending, drop your idea into the tool, and let the AI handle everything for you. From visuals and scripts to voice and sound. Scale this and you've got yourself a viral short form factory. I would rate this one a medium in effort because you'll be posting often and will always be on the lookout for the next viral idea. But I would rate it high in earning potential thanks to the reach and discoverability. But what if I told you the same skill that helps you go viral can also help you get hired? This brings us to our second idea, freelancing on Upwork or Fiverr. If you've learned how to make AI videos that actually grab attention, congratulations, because you already have a skill people are paying for. Businesses, agencies, even influencers need content fast, and most of them don't care how it is made as long as it looks good and performs. That is where you come in. You can list services like AI ad video creation, YouTube Shorts for brands, or text-to-video storytelling. With platforms like InVideo, AI takes care of nearly the entire process. Visuals, voice, sound, pacing, everything, while you focus on the concept. What used to take a full production team, you can now deliver in a day. so low. Now, I didn't rate this one high on effort because you'll need to manage clients, handle outreach, deliver projects consistently, but it also comes with high earning potential, making the effort completely worth it. A few steady clients can easily replace a full-time income and turn this into a genuinely profitable business. But I know that not everybody wants to work with clients. You might want to build something that is entirely your own, which brings us to point number 1, building a faceless mini documentary channel. There are YouTube channels out there pulling millions of views every single month without ever showing their face on screen. And you have probably seen these before: business documentaries, sci-fi channels, story explainers, kids content. Many of these channels are making $50,000 to even $100,000 per month just from ad revenue. Take Hominid History Hub for example. It's a human evolution documentary channel which gained over 375,000 subscribers in the last 5 months with just 53 uploads. And they made over $100,000 last month. Now, given the earnings that you just saw, I would rate this one high in earning potential and low in effort. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can staying consistent and producing a good baseline quality of videos be that easy? Well, it wasn't. But all of that changes with platforms like InVideo coming in, which makes it super easy for you to get your videos out on time and massively reduces the time and effort required to create a high quality output. Let me show you how. All you need to do is click the link in the description below and sign up on InVideo. Type your idea as a simple prompt and then hit generate. Set the video duration, the platform you want it for, which is YouTube, and make sure you select Ultra to use the best available models like Veo 3.1, Sora 2 and Nano Banana. InVideo will make over 300 creative decisions for you while generating your video, from script to pacing to music sync and visuals to transitions and even voice tone, so that you don't have to touch a timeline. That is your first cut ready. From there, you can refine it however you want. Just type commands like make the hook better, or use my voice, or translate this video to any language like Portuguese. Or if you want a more granular control over your edit, you can click on the edit option right below the canvas, and then you can tweak the media, the script or the music directly. Once you're happy with the results, all you need to do is simply click on export and download your video, and just like that, it is ready to post on YouTube. Now that you know how to make these videos, the next question is what to make them about. And if you're unsure about where to start, I highly recommend that you check out this video next, the only 8 faceless niches that will make you rich in 2026. So go watch this, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.